I finally got the correct light bulb. 100 watt equivalent LED, 1600 lumens, warm white. And you can see she purrs like a kitten. Perfectly balanced. And blows a ton of air for her size. These metal curved blades make a huge difference. I screwed the J-hook in just to the stud to the side of the box, so I need to get a cover. That'll cover all of that. Because it was just a basic nailed into the side closet light. And the mounting system for this beauty only takes a J-hook, unless I used a modernized bracket. But I wanted to keep the fan authentic. Only a Hunter H-36 could make me go back in the closet. It's missing the speed coil, of course. There's no air vent in my walk-in closet, so this thing will be very nice in the summer months here in Florida. This is a 1953 H-36 with a B in the prefix. It's a Tennessee one. And I know I need to clean the blades more. The stuff I cleaned it was originally streaked them. But for an original finish, it's in pretty good condition. I don't plan on having it refinished. I like it being all original.